MATLAB, short for Matrix Laboratory, is a powerful numerical computing and programming environment widely used in engineering, mathematics, science, and various other fields. As a popular software tool, MATLAB assignments are common tasks given to students, professionals, and researchers to analyze, solve, and visualize complex problems. Writing a MATLAB assignment requires a systematic approach to ensure a successful outcome. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps to create a well-structured and effective MATLAB assignment. Understanding the assignment requirements. Before starting any MATLAB assignment, carefully read and understand the assignment guidelines provided by your instructor or employer. Pay close attention to the following aspects. A. Objective. Identify the main goal of the assignment and what you are expected to accomplish. B. Scope. Determine the scope of the problem to know the extent of analysis required. C. Data and input. Identify the data or inputs you need to work with for the assignment. D. Output. Understand what kind of results or outputs are expected. E. Constraints. Be aware of any limitations or constraints that you must adhere to while solving the problem. Planning and organization. A well-structured plan is crucial for effectively completing a MATLAB assignment. Follow these steps to organize your work. A. Break down the assignment. Divide the problem into smaller, manageable tasks. This will help you approach the assignment systematically and avoid feeling overwhelmed. B. Create a timeline. Set deadlines for each task and allocate sufficient time for research, coding, debugging, and documentation. C. Gather resources. Collect relevant textbooks, online resources, and MATLAB documentation to support your assignment. Research and conceptual understanding. Investigate the concepts and theories related to the assignment. Strengthen your knowledge in the relevant areas by reviewing course materials, lectures, or external resources. Understanding the underlying principles will enable you to make informed decisions while writing your MATLAB code. MATLAB coding. A. Start with a script file. Create a new MATLAB script.m file to begin writing your code. A script file allows you to execute multiple lines of code at once, making it ideal for assignments. B. Define variables. Begin by defining the necessary variables, which are placeholders to store data and intermediate results. C. Algorithms and logic. Develop algorithms and logical steps to solve the problem at hand. Break down complex operations into smaller steps, making the code easier to debug and maintain. D. Test your code incrementally. As you write your code, test it step by step to ensure that each part functions as intended. E. Use built-in functions. MATLAB provides a vast library of built-in functions that can simplify complex computations. Utilize these functions to save time and effort. F. Code optimization. If your code is slow or inefficient, optimize it by reducing unnecessary loops or using vectorized operations. Error handling and debugging. A. Error handling. Anticipate potential errors and implement error handling mechanisms to provide informative feedback to the user. B. Debugging. Thoroughly test your code and identify any bugs or issues that may arise. Use MATLAB's built-in debugging tools, such as breakpoints and variable inspection, to locate and fix errors. Data visualization. MATLAB is known for its excellent data visualization capabilities. Depending on the assignment requirements, use various plotting functions to create graphs, charts, and visual representations of your results. Ensure that your visuals are appropriately labeled and easy to interpret. Documentation. A. Comments. Add descriptive comments to your code, explaining the purpose of each section and its functionality. Well-commented code is easier to understand and maintain. B. Report. If required, write a detailed report explaining your approach, methodology, results, and conclusions. Use LaTeX or Markdown to format your report professionally. C. Reference any sources. If you have used external resources, make sure to provide proper citations and references in your documentation. Review and testing. Before submission, thoroughly review your MATLAB assignment. Check for any syntax errors, logical issues, or incorrect outputs. Test your code with different input scenarios to ensure it handles various cases effectively. Conclusion: writing a MATLAB assignment requires a systematic approach, understanding of the problem, well-structured coding, and proper documentation. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll be well prepared to tackle MATLAB assignments effectively and achieve success in your academic or professional pursuits. Always remember to practice regularly, seek help when needed, and continue to explore MATLAB's vast capabilities to enhance your skills further.